Do you feel like your man has become distant? Are you worried that he's not calling or texting as much? Or that he doesn't make plans to see you like he did before? Do you want him to think about you and miss you more? Well, these 7 tips will certainly get his attention and make him yearn for you and miss you. Oh, and they work best when you do them in this order. Number 1. Try not to talk about missing him. I know it's hard, but it's important. When you notice your man isn't communicating as much, it's natural to worry and ask him what's wrong. But sometimes this can make things worse. He might think you're complaining too much. Instead, focus on these steps and give him space. If you stop bringing it up, he might start missing you and bring it up himself. So even if you're upset, try not to let him know. Give it some time and see how things go. Number 2. Stop being the one who always initiates communication. I know it's tough because you want to stay connected, but if you want him to miss you, give him some space. Don't be the first to call or text. Let him start conversations. He'll notice the change and wonder why you're not reaching out. It might make him miss you more. If he contacts you, take your time before responding. This shows you're busy and not just waiting for him. Being patient will make him want to talk to you even more. Your silence can speak volumes and make him want to reach out to you again. Number 3. Give him something to miss. When you're worried, it affects how you interact with him. He can feel your disappointment, and it makes your time together less enjoyable. Instead, be the happy and confident person he fell in love with. These tips help him see your value. Rock his world and leave him wanting more. Create a dynamic he can't find anywhere else. Make him think of you as fun, light, easygoing, and confident, not disappointed or insecure. Be the person he craves to be with. Before we go any further, if you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. Now, back to making him miss you. Number 4. Prioritize your life and learn to say no. Don't always be available for him. Saying no to last-minute plans shows you have other commitments and a busy life. Men find independence attractive, so keep up with your life before meeting him. Make yourself a priority and spend time with your friends and hobbies. Be yourself and don't just wait for his calls. When he sees you have a fulfilling life, he'll want to be a part of it. Let him know he can't always call you on a whim, and he has to earn that priority status. Being unavailable sometimes will make you feel better and intrigue him too. Remember, don't play games, just focus on yourself and let him see what he's missing. Number 5. Be a bit mysterious. You don't have to share every detail of your day unless he asks. It's not about keeping secrets, but rather let him wonder and be intrigued. Share bits of your life slowly and make him earn your trust. When you have plans with family or friends, let him know you're busy without giving him all the details. Don't break your plans for his last-minute requests. This shows your time is valuable, and he needs to prioritize you, not treat you like a last-minute option. Number 6. Have the talk when the time is right. After doing these steps, your boyfriend will notice the changes, and that's a good thing. You want him to see how amazing you are. If he doesn't notice, be concerned. Let him bring up the topic when he's ready. Be clear and honest about what you want in the relationship. Don't adjust your needs to accommodate him if you're looking for a long-term relationship. Be honest with yourself and with him. Number 7. Be willing to walk away. Don't lie to yourself or think things will magically change. If he's not showing the love and affection you deserve, don't settle or tolerate it. People change when they want to or have to. Show him through your actions that you won't tolerate being treated poorly. He needs to feel that he might lose you if he doesn't step up. It's natural to worry about these steps, but they're worth it. If he truly loves and values you, he'll wake up and appreciate what he has. Remember, your happiness and self-worth come first. One thing you can do to improve your relationship is to overcome your fear of rejection and the relationship ending. Believe that if it's meant to happen, it will. If you're not truly compatible, it may not work out in the long run anyway. Share your thoughts on these tips, and if you've tried them before. Remember, you can always check back to see if you've won. If you've tried the tips but still feel unappreciated, maybe he's just not that into you. Thank you for watching.